dear friends, yes sir, I really like the way in which he demonstrated the cases and the fund of knowledge he has got with the laser technologies. Though I was in Bangalore Medical College, our college will not, even the laparoscopy also we started in 2000. I was doing laparoscopy from 92, but it started. It is like that in government medical colleges. Before that, everything comes there. Laser technology is not at all heard there right now. Only the dermatology people are using it. Was because of our head of the department who became a vice chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University. So he brought some changes like that. So I got retired there. When I came, I thought of retiring totally. 55, I just came out voluntarily, not to practice after that. My son is a doctor. I have a small setup around 30-bedded to 40-bedded hospital is there in Mysore Road. So everybody used to ask what exactly you are going to do. I am in an expansion mode now because of the son. They were telling, sir, what specialty you are going to do? I thought we should do a specialty also, plus I had heard of these things. So I thought, let me make an institute of that sort so that it will be a good thing for the things. And I have a lot of students here, abroad, everywhere. We can have some associations. That's why I just came for this is a preliminary one, what I am looking into. Now I have decided I will do some work with this. And in future, I may work with him for conferences, all those things. Because I have got a good, big hospital in which we have already planned for a lot of events like this. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.